Now I am in Shaastec yard. Now here KOC Type C cabins fabrication work going on. So for Type C it is around more than 300 square meter area. Now the base construction is going on. So I will give you some basic ideas about this, how we are constructing this one. So initially all the outside beams are I-beams, I-140 beams. Then inside is we are putting this 120 I-beams and purlins also. So purlins, for getting the strength, we are putting each and every purlins in 40 centimeter gap. So like that we are constructing. Now the welding for this purling is going on. So these all together, since it is a 300 square meter area, this almost it is coming six different module units are coming. So each one we are lifting that one, lifting and installing in the site. So the more details and everything you will get in the trailing videos. Thank you.